In this quick tutorial, I will show you guys how to fix access denied error while installing Raspberry Pi on your SD card. So you just need to follow me. Simply you need to go to your start window and type Windows Security. After that, open Windows Security. Now you need to click on Virus and Threat Protections, and you need to scroll down. You'll get option called Ransomware Protection. So click on Manage Ransomware Protection. After that, here you will see one block history option, so simply click on that. Also, you can click on protection history from your left side, and here you will see the option called protected memory access blocked. Simply click on that option, and after that you will get a pop-up window. Now you need to select yes on this window. After that, click on actions and click on allow on this device. After that, select yes and you are done. Now if you will try to install Raspberry Pi on your microSD card, it will work.